Hey everyone, this is Pramita here, and again I'm back with another journal that I had made during the lockdown period in India. And there will be, as I said before in my previous journal, there will be, regular restocking in my shop because I'm thankfully my journals are selling out quickly, so I will be restocking soon. So what I've done is, this is a stash busting kind of journal, but it's pretty chunky and it has a lot of ephemera, interesting things going on. So this is a paper from Stamperia, and what I've done to this is I've just added a lace applique and a book plate, and it's tied with sari silk. This is the standard size traveler's notebook, you can say, and you can put it in your traveler's notebook cover. So I have a lot of interesting things, as you can see in this. So I've used some papers from Prima, as well as some mostly from Stamperia. So this is a pocket, and what you have here is some journaling cards, and this is a tag that I made from the Prima paper, Misty Rose. So this goes in here, and again on this page you will see a lot of scrappy collages sort of thing and stenciling. So this is this is occurring throughout the journal, and I think this has given a special effect to the pages. So that's that, and there's some slight stenciling, if you can see, and this is a interactive page sort of thing, pocket. So you can, let me show you. So you can pull the journal card. So this is a collaged journal card that I made, and this paper I had in my stash. This is again one of those scrappy collages that I did, and they keep on popping here and there just for added interest. So this is I think a digital from Shabby Dabby Doodah. This is from Misty Rose. So this has a lot of mishmash of things that I had in my stash. So it's kind of like this. This paper is from Stamperia, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love these birds sitting together. So this is a journaling spot. It flips out, so you can journal over here. It's stenciled and inked and stuff like that. And here you have a pocket where again you have a journal card. It goes in, so it's like so. And then this is the half page. You can journal over here. You can stick some pocket or something of that sort. You can even put a photo. This is a full page flip out. So this flips out like this, and this is a huge pocket, and I have some tag with the pocket at the back. Okay. So that goes in, and here is a small tab. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So some of the papers are from Antique Papery, and here I have attached that as a hinge, and then there's this pocket with Stamperia papers, and here I have another pocket. This is not a floating pocket, so I have done some collages, and this is actually a tuck spot, so you can put something in. So that goes in here, and that's the back side, so you can journal over here. Some lined page here is a pocket which again flips up. So flips up, and here you have a tuck spot using a doily, and I have backed the doily on vellum, so it's a little bit sturdy, and you have this as a tuck spot. Flips up, and here you have a journaling tag. So it's a lot of roses, you can say, in different colors, shades of pink. So I'll put that later on. Here is another side tuck using some of the scraps that I had, and here is a journal card, so you can journal over here. This has a small quote, only small things with great care. This is from a scrap that I had from Stamperia paper. So this is another pocket. Again, this is from Antique Papery, and here is our collaged card. Okay, then half page. Here is another half page. Again, some scrappy collage that you can see. These pop in at places. So here is another side tuck, some lace applique as a tab. So this another half page. This is a pocket. These are all offcuts from Stamperia papers. I've used up every little bit that I could lay my hands on. Here you have a flip out. This is the middle of the signature journal, and here is a folder kind of flip out. So you can see there are lots of ephemera in these pockets. So I have collaged on the pockets, and you have journal cards going in. This journal comes with lots of ephemera for you to play around, and this is how the tags look. And I've done some collages at places, just so that they look a little bit different. So this looks like, and this closes up. This is another side of the fold out page, and this also has a tag. Here is another tag, only small things with great love. So I think this journal is really good for someone who is starting off in junk journaling and stuff like that. You already have things going on. So again, I've done some book page collage thingy. So this is some half page, some line page, and this one is actually a folder, but you can use this as a journaling spot also. I'll show you how. So you can write over here, and then you can open this, and these are all ephemera that come in this. You can journal over here, and these two go in, these two ephemera pieces, they go inside. And at the back, this is actually a collaged tuck spot, you can say. I've just put in one of the ephemera that I made from Stamperia papers, cut-offs. So this is actually a book page folder that I made, and that goes inside. So this is floating kind of thing. You can put it anywhere you like. So again, some half pages. Okay, so this one is this opens up. I hope you can see it. So you can journal over here. There's this small bow sort of thing with sari silk, and this is actually a flip pocket. So you have some journaling tags over here. So these tags are double tags. Like, you can cut them off and use them. So these were from Misty Rose paper. Yeah, I have used those, because I had them in my stash. Sorry, I'll just put this. Okay, so this flips up, and this closes down. And at the back, you'll see there's a tuck spot. Okay, and here's a little journaling card that I made. So this goes in over here. Okay, and then some slight stenciling, so you can see over here. This is another pocket that I did. So here you have some journaling card, and this is actually a tag, and I've added a pocket on that. And here you have another journal card. I'll just show you. So this is actually a journal card, so you can put this over here. So this goes inside, at the side of the tag. So again, you can journal over here, some half page. This has a tab. It says timeless on one side and remember on the other. This is a pocket. Again, some Stamperia paper. And this is a quote that was in the paper. Some stenciling, some, scrappy collage. This is just a flip. You can, again, some scrappy collage that I've done, some stenciling. This is a wraparound pocket, and for this wraparound pocket, what I've done is this is a big quote. It continues on the other page. Each chapter in your book continues to grow page after page. So I have another journal card over here, and here is another card. This is also from Misty Rose Prima paper. So the papers are very thick in this. You can even do some mixed media if you want. So here is another of those scrappy bits, and this has some lace snippets also. And now we come towards the end. So this is the back. There's another journal card that goes inside the back pocket, and at the back you have this side pocket which has been edged with vintage lace, and this is a trim that I have, and it just looked like this. So I'm not sure how many pages this has. I think it has around 80 pages. I'm not sure. Somewhere around 60, not 80. Somewhere around 60. So by the time you see this, it's going to be listed in my shop, and I'll post all the links below in the description box. And right now I'm offering free shipping as a promotional offer, since I have reopened my shop. So I would request everybody to go and visit and check if you like anything. So thank you everybody for being there with me. Bye. Have a great day.